Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassie and I am the sole owner of Haven Handmade Co. I make all things quilted, so quilted bags, pouches, sleeves, lanyards, wristlets, wallets, just basically a little bit of everything. In today's video I have something very exciting. So I just got my new sewing machine in the mail, so we're going to unbox that. We are going to test it out. And we are going to also try a new way of making my box bags. So let me go grab that new sewing machine and I will catch back with y'all once I get it unboxed. Here we have my new sewing machine. I got the Singer 6800C heavy duty and I want to show you. It comes with so many different pieces. One that I'm really excited about is it comes with a walking foot. We're gonna open it up. Good morning. It's a brand new day. It's also noon, so it's not quite morning. But I had to go pick up my kids and do a few things yesterday. However, I wanted to show you that the website is officially up. I worked all day yesterday getting this up and situated and perfected. It's not perfect, but it's pretty well what I want it to be like. But now we are going to try this new sewing machine. I'm excited, I'm nervous. I have all of my thread, which this is the kind that I use. It's the Coats and Clarks. It's just what I've used since I started, and it comes with so much on it that I don't have to change it out very often. And I will show you what I'm going to work on to start with. I also wanted to point out that you can see my gigantic roll of batting back there. These are what I'm going to test my new sewing machine on. I have to trim these all. There's only 4 of them. I got 2 new fabrics, so I made 2 wallets out of each of those fabrics. But I need to turn them inside out and then sew this little hole shut. And then I also need to finish sewing right here on this one. This is where my last one broke, right at the last steps. It was like 10 o'clock at night before a market and it kicked the can. But okay, let's try this new sewing machine. First things first, I need to fill up my bobbins. I have this whole case, and when I'm doing a lot of sewing, I will fill all of these, and then that usually lasts me at least an entire day of sewing, if not a little bit longer. So all of the wallets are now sewn and trimmed. So now I gotta turn them inside out and we will sew this little hole shut. Okay, so I finished all 4 of the wallets, and so far I am loving this new machine. It automatically cuts your thread for you, which is super nice. It doesn't. So with my old machine, when I went to start sewing, I'd have to hold the threads in the back so that they didn't bird's nest in my machine. And with this one, I don't have to worry about that. It doesn't do that. I've only done so little sewing wise on it, so I can't give a full recommendation on it quite yet, but so far I am loving it. I think that's gonna be it for this video. I wanted to test out this machine, get something up on my channel that was a little more well put together than my last video. That was just me trying to figure out the whole YouTubing and vlogging and camera setups and angles and lighting. But I changed the settings on my camera to make it hopefully a little bit better. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.